That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mixed too. That's a vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mixed too. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mixed too. That's a vibe. When I'm feeling the vibe, this could be the time of a life. Me and you mixed too, that's a vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mixed too, that's a vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mixed too, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mixed too, that's a vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mixed too, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Me and you mixed too, that's a vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of a life. Me and you mixed too, that's a vibe.
It's Monday. What up, you guys? What up? Let's get it. Let's blow some accounts, baby. What up, Vist FX? Change your name. All good. What up? What up? Check, check. Shibdog. What's happening, my friends? Big Grant. Laurent, no worries, my brother. Yeah, it was good, man. Yeah, W one-on-one sesh. Young Jacques, nice podcast. Yeah, hopefully some of you guys caught the pod. Young Nikki. We're keeping Nikki busy out in these streets. That sounded bad, but we're keeping Nikki busy. Beautiful. So let's have a look here, you guys. This is New York. First time joining. Let's get it. Let's get it. Check, check. Do we want to take a sell? Hey man, I've got to do a real quick analysis here because it could be an opportunity to take a trade right now. Daily, 4 hour, strong 1 hour closure. It's a bit mid on the 30. What's the range? There's a burger. What up, Saeed? I don't like that you don't wash your hands that often, but I love that you're on Orion. Brother, if I ever see you, I'm going to wipe my hands all over you. Oh my God, Nikki, you tripped me out in the Facebook chat. W. Guard dog's real, beautiful. We'll keep an eye on sells here on gold, maybe. Not that keen on it, but we'll see. NQ, what do you got? Oh, some major level here. This up here is a major level, and this down here is a major level. Why are you so handsome? I'm ugly. I'm fat and ugly. All right, can we be serious for a sec here on gold? Two major levels on gold. I mean, if you look at the hour on gold, it looks a bit better now. Before it was looking very ugly. We've got PMI red folder coming up. First time joining, welcome, welcome. Sir, how are you? Sir's good. Sir is looking for an opportunity here, but Sir is moving up. Hey, does anyone know any prop firms that have no consistency rules once you're funded? What up, Cheng? How is Pakistani? What? Five percenters, ideally Forex. I mean, ideally futures. If there is, my funded. Oh, okay, it looks like there's heaps. Oh, sweet. What up, Mwenda? I don't know what you mean, but what up? Maybe buys on gold. I mean, maybe buys on NQ. This is my first time here. What are you doing? What are you actually doing at all? Bing, bang, bong, bang, bong. Okay, man, so this is where we're at on gold. Looks very whatever through here. It'd be cool if this could come back down and kind of hold below. Like, here's the thing, you guys. This is kind of dog shit in here. If you want to trade within this range here, I mean, be my guest, but I don't think I'm going to. Boss, I blew my account this afternoon. Yeah, it's going to happen, bro, sometimes. So the only thing you can do is figure out why, how, and who, and try not to do it again. So New York volume coming in, pushing price up on gold. I mean, it makes sense on the 4 hour. If you look at the 4 hour, just kind of stepping our way up. What's it look like on Forex 4 hour? Kind of whatever. You don't like to trade in December? Well, you're going to be broke, brother. All you guys that think that December is like some sort of thing, it's like a bar just moves up and down. Like, it's not going to be any different in December than it is in freaking July. Oh, really, Jack? Okay, sick. So let's see what this kind of New York volume stepping in here wants to do. These are two areas of interest. Major buys above here, obviously. I think if it happens, we're going to have to get aggressive. It's not going to give us a pretty setup. We're going to have to find a way to kind of intercept in. Yeah. Moderator Nikki blocked Daniel Holmes trades. Oh, yeah, Nikki's blocking fake me's. It's gold, Regan. You can see in the background the watermark. Yeah, don't rush anything. You guys, cool. You guys, first day of the month, it's a Monday, and it's, 2025 on Earth. Which trading platform? This platform's called Project X, funded by Topstep. Funded prop firm by Topstep underneath Project X, XXX. What a blessing, Sparkle. Blessed Sparkle, I mean. So yeah, we're in the middle of this range, all good. NQ, what do you got? Yeah, NQ closes something like this. I might be interested in a buy, but it could just be a support to be formed for a continuation down. We'll have to wait and see. Because what does it look like on the 30? Yeah, we'll see. I have a question for you, not answering. No. Not going to do it. I'm not playing these games. I've played these games too long. Oh shit, they're bad. I just got a coffee delivered. Hey, I feel so bad. Do Uber people get paid less if the order's smaller? I kind of don't want to know the answer because then it means I'm a bad person, but all good. Damn it, I should have just given him a tip. I feel bad now. Oh, they do get paid less if the order's small. Bad person. Yeah, I'm bad. So here we are. Didn't you tip? Didn't you tip 3 question marks? Guarantee this person's never tipped in their life. You know what I mean? Bro, I just want to ask you what's better day to trade or swing trade? Oh, to day trade or swing trade. Yeah, there's no such thing as better. It's just whatever you decide to do. Chase him down the street. Didn't you feed 10 homeless dudes as if this person fucking, Oh, sick. Oh, you can tip through the Uber app. Okay, maybe I'll do that. Bro, will definitely never do it, but I'm comforted by the thought of doing it. Nah, I might do it if I remember. Have you any thought of helping traders get funded? No. No, I've never helped a trader. Hey, you guys, what do you know about this podcast I just did with fucking Orion? The Orion podcast. Here's a link to it if anyone wants to watch. This was 10 days in to when I got here in Dubai. Habibi! I did this podcast. Bro, it's tough out in these streets, man. I can't send links in TikTok. I send it in the YouTube and Facebook. Often use the 15-minute time frame. Can you consistently rely on? No. I don't use the 5-minute, and I use the 15-minute, but it has to be in confluence with the other time frames. I can't just use just the 15 alone, otherwise nothing means anything. I want to try your strategy because right now I'm doing swing trading. I always watch you on TikTok. Yeah, man, just pick a side and just stick to it. Pick a team, pick a religion, pick a gender, and just stick to it. You can't be out in these streets switching up your genders. I mean, you can do it once, probably max. Someone who can help me in Forex funded. I'm East African, Ethiopian, only $40 in 5% as funded profile. Literally drinking a coffee into the side of the microphone. Just feels like this lid's gonna pop off. What up, Shamil? Yeah, so we took a buy position over here earlier. Well, I took it on my other accounts. I took bigger size on my other accounts. I'll show you guys in the Dissy over here. Me and Mitch and a couple other guys, I think, took it. I went to post a screenshot, and then Mitch was like, his mind, like Mitch posted it as well straight after. Break at this high here. Anticipate a continuation up into this naked range. Cut size there. You can see. Yeah, I cut size at 8, and then let the rest run for a bit. I ended up cutting this at like 5 or some shit. Yeah, and then young Mitch fucking, as I posted mine, I seen he took it a bit earlier based on something a little bit different, but it's still pretty valid. Bro, what the fuck's up with this? Oh, the lid spins. So in the middle of this range, all good. We'll see what's up. Yeah, I know what the 30 looks like. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. Last stream I did on Friday was the biggest stream I've ever had. It's got like nearly 8,000 views. We had 1,000 people at once. I had hundreds of hot chicks in my DMs after it saying, "Oh my God, I've seen you on stream. Can I cuddle you?" So we're hoping to get more chicks. If I successfully apply for the mentorship, do I get a phone call? Yes. Yeah, Plum, it'd be good to have you in there. Yeah, it'd be good to have you in there, man. Seem like a cool cat. The best chicks. Plumzilla. All right, this candle's about to close the middle of this range here. Who wants to take a buy based on it engulfing this little range here? I did say I don't want to trade in this point. The 30-minute looks ugly. Who wants to take a buy with it engulfing this little range here? What's a 4-hour doing? Could flip. $40 pips. I entered based on the 30, Alex. I did take into consideration what the 30 was doing, or the 15 was doing, but I was mainly basing it, not just I liked how the 15 looked, but I liked more how the 30 looked. I liked how the higher time frames looked mainly. Otherwise, I wouldn't have taken it. Yeah. Oh, NQ's doing something. Oh, yeah. So this is actually something I was saying to one of the guys on the mentorship call this morning was, like, whenever there's a key level like this and price has a reaction off before it gets there, it's like, what's the probability of it not at least testing it before having a reaction off? Okay, at least it popped its head above that 30 there. I'll let this break the high, and if it wants to come back down and then re-break it, I might take a buy. You're thinking the same? Yeah. Yeah. I think that's a really good one to remember about those like major levels there. It's like, what's the probability that you don't want to at least fucking give it a stab? Oh, you got it as well, Alex? Nice. Yeah, good shit. I mean, it's all this shit. It's always about, I mean, if you're a price action trader, which means reading candlesticks, market structure, it's all about what's the story that's being told on all time frames. You got to kind of piece them together and try and build I wouldn't say a bias, but at least a story of some sort. Don't get too attached to the story, but it needs to at least make sense. Because sometimes you get too attached to a story and then you deny reality. Brother from East Africa, Ethiopia. I don't know what you want me to do, bro. Thank you for letting me in your live, brother. Thank you for letting me in your life. And you might be like, how? Well, I'll see you tonight at the window, brother. Okay, let's see what this gold's doing here. Are you talking about on NQ or gold, Jack? I think you're talking about NQ. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so it's NQ, yeah. If this pops its head above this top wick here and doesn't go too far, I know I'm asking a lot, it's because it's not a very good setup. If it can come to like here and then flip red again and then re-break the high, I'll enter. I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's either going to leave or it's going to fail. Either way, I'm not too interested personally, sorry. Who am I saying sorry to? Is a high time frame why you can't? I don't think about double tops and stuff like that, bro, personally. Burundi. Sounds like an Australian place. Oh, East Africa. Man, everyone's from East Africa. Who's trading bonds? I don't know, but I'm trading in bonds undies. Alright. When's this red folder? Let's have a look when this red folder's kicking in here. Oh, we've still got an hour and a bit. Yeah, we've still got an hour and a bit. Yeah, London sesh as of, well, I go back to Australia on the 11th, so I'll be switching back to London. And then anyone here in the mentorship, I'll be doing the Asia live in the mentorship, and then the London stream on YouTube. And then when I come back, I'll switch it again. Yeah, I mean, it's tough. This is like nearly a nice setup. It's just, look how ugly it is on the 30 and shit. And where are you going to enter? 65 pip stop with only a 30 pip target. No, don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. I was liquidated in Bitcoin yesterday for $400,000. Yeah, monopoly money. People that get liquidated $400,000 aren't in TikTok chats. I'm sorry, I love you, but that's just something I've noticed statistically. Yeah, buys above this area here is really good, if we can do that. My risk to reward if I were to buy here is just not, it's just not good. My risk to reward is just not good. All right, is NQ going up, is it? Yeah. No, NQ is doing exactly what I said it was going to do. See what I mean? See why it's important to understand market structure and candlestick analysis and know when to stand down and when to not? No. Oh, Will, no, young Will. Will I am. I mean, you took a chance. It can still go. It can still go. But if it doesn't, at least maybe remember what I said and just like something to remember for the next setup. You know, some of those ones where it's like, you know, it's conflicting things. Don't be afraid to ask more don't be afraid to ask more from it. Okay, motherfucker, you're not the best setup, so I need you to tap and like do a couple things before I enter. Oh, you mean 400,000? Yep, said the same thing, bro. Gold dropping? Yeah, it's massively dropping so aggressively right now. I want to know about your trade today. Okay, bro, I'll tell you about my trade today. My trade today was, let me show you about my trade today. I'll black something out so you can see. When I took my trade today, it was like this. That's what the market was looking like. And then up here was like very like key area, like a lot of areas of interest, clean traffic. So on the 30 it came down, pushed like that, closed back up in the range. On the 15, sorry. And then the 30 fucking closed above like this, closed above this level here. The next one failed to push down and closed back up above this range. The next one rejected. I had an entry sitting right there. Target here, and then massive targets up there. And it kind of just pushed. And I held it past here and then took it all the way up. I know that's a shit breakdown, but it's hard with all this shit in the way now. The 1 hour and the 4 hour looked good as well to push up. Yeah, 2 fake outs here on NQ and gold for potential buyers. Not fake outs, but just like weird payout, like it's just a bit of indecision going on. Will, did you survive? Any profitable traders selling membership is a bit off, yeah, but because you don't understand how the world works. You think if you do one thing, you have to only do that one thing. Where I'm like, brother, I'll trade, I'll do mentorships, I'll start brokers, I'll start prop firms, I'll fly to the moon. Like, why are you so limited in your belief in yourself? Why not do everything? If you have a desire to do it, you don't want to help other traders? Why are you so selfish, G? This dude who wants to contact me. Oh, you're still in? Nice, nice. Good stuff. Yeah, I'll do it all, Jack. Bro, when you ever take a trade? I've never taken a trade on stream actually. So hopefully today's the first one after a year and a half of streaming. Pumpkin latte. So let's see, right in the middle is massive area of interest above and below. The area above is like a way bigger area of interest. Clean traffic to the moon, I believe. Actually, I haven't even checked on the 15. Yeah. Clean traffic up to here. And then above there, fuck. Then we're talking like all-time high territory. Yeah, then we're moving into the all-time high territory. Bro, I've been talking to someone, I don't really know if you are the one. Oh, look at this. I went from being profitable to being unprofitable by learning something clearly should not have. Now I'm in a sea of stop losses. It feels like I'm trapped walking on it. Yeah, well then just, this is where data collection and shit comes in. Like, I don't know your situation specifically enough, but I mean, don't do the shit you learn, I guess. I don't know. All right, 2 minutes for this 30 closure. See if we can move up to this level. Looks like we're moving up. Fuck me, it's so loud around here. Someone's just got their TV blaring. You saw Trades by Sai story about Raja? Nah, what did he say? Really? That's hilarious. What did he say? I mean, that dude's the most sus trader of all time anyway. What up, Chad? All right, let's see what NQ wants to do. Yeah, that's it. Just focus on the good trade. That's all we're gonna do. Yeah, you're doing the right thing, Eckhard. Yeah, you're doing the right thing by the sounds of it. It was Raja saying this racial slur. Nice. I mean, he can say whatever he wants. He's black, isn't he? Oh, it's considered racial. Yeah, I guess it's racist if a black dude says something about white dudes. I don't know. Does anyone really care? You know what I mean? All right, here we go. Closure coming up here. 30's kind of engulfing this range here. The 15s, whatever. Do we want to take an anticipated push up here? Because I do feel like if we're going to get a buy, we're going to have to be a bit sneaky about it. If this can wick down, I'm going to take a buy. It's risky, but I'm trying to anticipate a bit of a push up here. I don't think we're going to get a clean push. I mean, clean breakout. Give us a bottom wick, G. Yeah, she's off. Come on, bro. Give me a bottom week, motherfucker. Like, man, all day it's been like so hard to get a fucking confirmation for a setup. What's your risk management before? I don't even think about it, Mashali or whatever your name is. I don't even know. Just do whatever. My risk management here might be an impulse buy though. No, I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to cancel it to put a smaller order in. Just to cancel that as well. Yeah, NQ's cooked. This could push, yeah, we'll see. If I had a bottom wick on this 30, I was very interested in getting an entry down here. Very interested in getting an entry down here, but there's obviously no bottom wick. No FOMO. Yeah, there's a lot of FOMO. There's a lot of FOMO only because I can see that it would, you know, you could get a really nice setup. It's alright. It's not good confirmation. A wick fill? Yeah, like the idea would be to fill the wick for sure. Yeah. I don't want it to go. Don't leave. Took the, oh yeah, fair enough, Will. Yeah, just a reminder, just like something to keep in mind there. Just remember, like when there's clear targets like that and it hasn't tapped, it's a bit of a red flag. And that's why, like, I mean, I want to ask a bit more of it. Wanted to ask a bit more of it. Exactly, still learning, exactly. What up, Mr. H? Ordinary. Tons of anticipation on this level right here. MGC had a wick? Yeah, but even if I had a wick, it'd be the most smallest kind of like instant wick type shit. When I say a wick, I mean like I actually want to see sellers take over for a second. You know what I mean? I want to actually see it, not just be an instant wick. Bay or seal? Man, I seen a seal video on TikTok the other day and it had like 10 billion views just for a seal. Stop gold, please, bro. Please, just stop. Brown, gold. What do you think about internal SR and external SNO? I mean, yeah, just I think if you're looking for plays internal, like an internal inside of a structure like this, it's a lower probability for sure. Yeah. This could fake, this could fail to push above, we'll see. No, I don't think it's unreal. I think it's unrealistic, Mash. Because if you're asking that, it means you're just not at that level yet. It happens naturally as you develop as a trader. You increase size. Just let it happen naturally. Don't worry about the money. Just think about how can I take a good trade, and then over time your risk tolerance will naturally increase. Yeah. Sometimes you'll make a conscious effort to put more size on, but let that happen down the track. Gold said no. Yeah, gold's like, I think if it breaks above, like, we'll see. Who gives a shit? We'll see. Voice is so low? Nah, I think you need to turn your speaker up. I can see my voice over here. It shouldn't be low. If it's low, if it's not low, you're getting banned. All right, it's a little bit low. Yeah, you're right. I'll ban myself. Look at this level. Look how it's just holding at this level. It's just like, who's fucking taking over, buyers or sellers? You impulse entered? Yeah, fair. I really wanted to as well. But it's just not the right conditions. It can go. It wouldn't be right for me to impulse enter here. Yeah, it wouldn't be right. If this can had a bottom wick, I would be much more interested. Doesn't mean it can't go. And Q is just doing nothing. What's your most successful time to day trade? Just whenever. Whenever there's volume in the market. It's always statistically been the best time. Five minutes here. Can't do anything right now, unfortunately. Four-hour flipping bullish as well. Yeah, I really wanted to get an entry. Like I wanted to be in this trade. I'd just be breaking my rules. Yeah, I'm with you there as well, Muhammad, with the overthinking. Landlord, every day, same time. Yeah, there she goes. That's really fucking painful. It's really painful. What did I say? There's no chance it's going to give us a clean breakout when it was down here. I was like, I really like to find an opportunity to enter down here because it's not going to give us a clean breakout opportunity. Yeah, but no confirmation on like these mid to low time frames. So gay. Yeah, that's right, Ryan. Yeah. Did not break any rules. Yeah. It's just one of these plays where it's like, you know what's coming and you're just like, please give me an option to enter. Like, give me a chance to enter. And then, no. It's happened like 3 times today. Oh well, who gives a shit? We'll catch the next best. This scenario, what could have been a clean entry? I mean, down here, like, I mean, in hindsight, you could be like, well, look, it broke above that level, retested, you could have entered here somewhere, but it was like it was a negative risk to reward at that point if you did that. There just wasn't an entry. There wasn't. I was keen to do it on this 30 if it created just a tiny bit of a bottom wick. I was keen on this 30, but it created literally no bottom wick. Because the 30 kind of engulfed this. I knew it was a lot of pressure, like a lot of anticipation moving up. But yeah, it's fine. This is what the market does every day. It just kind of throws curveballs. It's like, how are you going to react to this, son? Yeah, how are you going to react to this, son? Got a minute here for his closure. It's pretty extended at this point. We'll see. Yeah, exactly. The 4 hour looked really nice for it as well. Yep, so we'll just wait, see if we can get a pullback now and either ride it back up or sell it back down. Legit, Jack, yeah. I was actually, I thought they would need like New York Stock Exchange in order to get up here. So we could fake here, come back down, Stock Exchange, send it. We'll see. Yeah, exactly what Martin said. 7 out of 10 times here, this situation will kill you. So good you didn't enter. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Mash, all your setups should be nice. Otherwise, you shouldn't take them. I'm an island mine. All right, here we go. So what have we got to the left? It's clean traffic to the left. What kind of target? Like this is where it came up to. Let's see it to the left where it came up to. Yeah, we've still got plenty of range up here. It's a Monday, man. That's okay. We'll see. Let's see. Very extended from support now. No bottom wick on the 30. 15 minutes to the hour. 4x 4 hour. 4x 4 hour close in 14 minutes. And we have news, yeah. It's gold, bro. It's very volatile. Really, yeah. I've been trading gold for 5 years. I know how to like. I understand what I need to see though. Yeah, I have a strict criteria. Hold control and scroll. Hold control and. I'm trying to think if I've ever. What do I usually do? I usually do this, I guess. Bro just taught me after 5 years how to trade. Hold control and scroll. What do I usually do? This and just kind of move it. Bro, I think I just unlocked. I'm autistic, all good, but wow. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Plem Holmes. Yeah, look. That is fucking... That must be so frustrating to watch after all these years of some idiot doing this. Wow. Grandad Holmes, legit. So there's two things that can happen here. I mean, there's multiple things. It can come back down, break back into the range. In that case, I'll be looking to sell down. I'll be looking to sell down here. Or two, it kind of fails, holds above here. In that case, I'll be looking to buy back up. If this candle holds up in this range, I'll be looking to buy back up. If it closes back in the range, I'll be looking at some sort of potential fake out and selling it back down. I can't get over that. I guess that is easier. Stop drinking. Bro, fix your brain. Like, stop drinking. Man, I don't know what it is about Dubai. I can't keep my fucking plants alive. In Australia, I was all good. Small body red. Yeah. I'm not super. Yeah, let's see what happens. Look at that 30. This is like doggy doo doo. I'd rather sells. Can see a fake out? Yeah, that'd be good. Wick fill to the top? Huh? I mean, every candle is going to leave, you know, you can't, I don't know, just, we'll see. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. If we can get 100 likes, I'll be able to move out of mum's basement. Oh, this will just melt to the floor now and just say, see ya. Don't forget news, yeah. Bought one fund, the next challenge already using your link. Buy another one, need your help to set up copy service. Oh, look at this, massively sell off. Massively sell off? Yeah. I mean, I was surprised that we're moving up at this time. I was like, yeah, I feel like it's New York stock if it's going to move up. That's all right. We'll be patient. We'll get a setup here. Yucky price action. What's up, traders date? Yeah, kind of coming back into this range. If it can hang out here, we can sell, but we don't want to go too much lower than this. $65 pip stop, 70 pip TP. Fake breakout? Yes, I guess so, yeah. Yeah, that might have just stopped out a lot of impulse guys that took impulses. I don't know, Jack. Yeah, I just don't know. I don't think there's any clear direction right now. We are creeping our way up. If it breaks this low again, looks like we're moving down pretty aggressive. I mean, can it get any louder outside? There's a fucking war going on. Yeah, we're kind of moving down a lot here now. Patience is required today. Oh, it depends, Jay. Like impulse, people that took impulse buys, it depends on the type of people. Like some people would hold, some people would just scalp. Yeah, I guess it depends on the type of trader. Just started learning yesterday. Nice. Welcome to the game of trading, my friend. You have a long and treacherous road ahead of you, but if you can do the right shit, you might come out the other side alive. And not only alive, but thrive. No return, yeah. I mean, some people return when they feel a bit of pain, which is inevitable. Damn, big fucking fake out here. Saying before, you guys, Orion podcast, Orion. Orion pod launched yesterday. Here's a link to it if you're interested in watching. Oh, from Brisbane, nice. Good to have you here, Volta. Yep, so we've got this hour closure coming up. It's also going to be a 4-hour closure on foreign exchange. This 4-hour candle has literally just danced in this point this whole time. No clear direction just yet. Can you check on gold? Nah, I'm just looking at fucking lithium. Why are you not doing London? I just switched it up for the week. I'll go back to London next week probably, or the week after. Good stuff, Michael. 22, 24 a good age to start trading? No. Bro, what the fuck? I just looked at this. I didn't even intend to look at that. Again, 666. Why, bro? Why? This has to be some sort of glitch. Do you have will you have bills like rent in Dubai when you're in Australia? Yes, I have bills to pay. Rent in Dubai, yeah. My rent here is fucking, it's not that much. You pay in 3-month chunks. So it's like, I don't know, 11,000. Wait, is 11,000 for 3 months sound about right? Maybe a bit more. My old place used to be 14,000. That was when I first got to Dubai. It was a shitter place than this. Because I went to the main tourist area when I first got to Dubai. I'm like, yeah, I'll go to Dubai. I'll just go to like the main area. Turns out it's just tourist central. And they just charge you $1 billion. It's not a bad thing. Really, first, last? Because I don't feel bad. Like, I don't feel like there's any badness. If anything, I feel closer to God. So I'm surprised I keep seeing C666. 11K for 3 months rent. Is that, man, are you saying that because it's cheap or expensive? $11,000. Yeah, sounds about right. Yeah, sounds about right. You're gay? No. Way too expensive? What do you mean? I mean, you don't know where I live though. That's the issue. You don't know the place. It's a nice place in a good area. All right, man, we're getting this hour closure, 30, 15 closure, 4 hour on Forex. We'll see what happens. Back in this range of death. Nah, I have multiple 50K accounts. JVC, yes, that's right. $50 seconds here. All right, I'm going to move this text because I could be interested in playing in this death range now that we've got cleaner traffic to the left. Clean here, clean here. Wow, what a push. Yeah, I'm spending Xmas in Oz. Massive retracement off there. Now this is probably just going to dump. What the fuck? Potential NQ buys? Yeah, not for me. Yeah, I understand that 666 is a bad thing, but there's other people that say it's not a bad thing. All right, man, there's this big closure here. Back in this range, 30 looks like poo-poo. 1 hour looks tripped out. What did the 4 hour do? 4 hour came back down and failed to break above this level here. I mean, I'm kind of sell heavy now. Like, what the fuck do you do with this candle though, you know? What are you meant to do with this candle now? Big 1 hour wick thing. Damn. 160 pip candle. Cool. Weird PA today, I'm not gonna lie. Like I caught a good trade earlier, but that's it. I've tried to catch multiple other trades and it's just been super weird. If this can fail here and break back, I don't know, man. We'll see. And there's not good traffic to sell into either. Really hoping it fails here. Not a ton of volume. NQ is going to probably pick up as stock exchange kicks in. Yeah, you might be onto something, Mitch. I mean, but at the same time, we nearly, like, this could have been a setup earlier. Like, it wasn't, but like there was volume there for it to be. Maybe I'll do one more New York and then I'll move to the stock exchange open or something. Because yeah, so far I haven't been able to get a pre-stock exchange trade at all, I don't think. Oh wow, you moved to Dubai as well, sick. I'll tell you one thing I've learned about Dubai though is like, definitely don't want to spend all year here. You want to come here, set up businesses and shit, then kind of fuck off. Come back here and there. What up, Stuart? Yeah. Yeah, I'm with you, Mitch, for sure. So PMI in an hour. Are there any Latinos in Dubai? There's heaps of Latinos in Dubai, but they all cost lots of money. Soulless. Starbucks. Oh, really, Jack? Yeah, interesting. Maybe I have to switch. Is there reason for people moving from Australia to Dubai? Yeah, because Australia taxes half of your money. Dubai doesn't. Is it okay to be gay in Dubai? I don't know. Come here and try it out. Let us know. Give it a crack. This could just melt forever, you guys, honestly. Yeah, this could just melt forever. How's the healthcare in Australia? Just shit, I guess. Depends what you need. Just rock up to emergency if you cook yourself, I guess. Boring shit. Why is it melting? Because markets have to either move up or down. They can't just stay still. Maximum trades you take a day? I mean, 3 is ideal. I mean, on Friday I took 5. That's very rare. God is reliable, but maybe more available. Wait, what? Jesus. I'll tell you one thing, you guys in Australia, anyone that's local to Brisbane or wants to come down, we've got the traders meet up on the 13th. Traders meet up on the 13th, so feel free to come down if you're a trader and you want to meet up on the 13th. It's going to be a really good day. Bunch of traders. I'll just put a link in the chat. That's the thing about Australia and traders. You don't get shit like this in Australia, man. Like local traders meeting up and actually connecting, bro. Steady, bro. Doesn't matter, connect. Jab your love. So we've got 9:15 coming up here. We'll see if we get a push. Maybe an impulse buy back up. Still holding NQ buy. Oh, Seth Dog 3000. Seth Dog 3000 still an NQ buy. Yeah. Mr. Daniel, best funded company can tell me, please. I blew up most of my accounts nowadays. Brother, the best funded companies aren't gonna stop you from blowing accounts. So you could even trade the best one ever, but you're still gonna blow an account. I use Top Step. Yeah, I use Top Step. Do not flirt with the ladies you don't know, because any lady can fake compliment harassment police. I mean, they don't do that. They just try and scam you. That's the main thing. How to not blow accounts then? Learn the strategy and system, bro. Study, bro. Gotta study, bro. 2 more losses today. Yeah, it's a bit cooked, Jack. I mean, I'm interested in potentially impulse buys here at 9:15. We'll see. We'll see. How's your personal account there? My personal account's at $19,000. Started at $5,000, and now it's at $19,000. I'm going to withdraw it because I'm done trading on that broker. No, I'm still using Funded Next. Link in bio. Every day I blow an account. Bro, leave accounts out of this. I mean, I used to do the same, and I did it for a long time where I blew all my accounts every day, and then I just kept doing it. And then I said to myself, with tears running down my face, you keep doing this and expecting a different result. It's either you stick to your rules and don't do this, or you just quit trading altogether. And then I started to stick to my rules a bit more, but it still took me a while. Because you guys, like the people that are like, man, I keep blowing my accounts. You're not blowing them because, oh, I'm sticking to my rules, I'm taking trades, but I just keep losing. It's like, nah, bro, you take a loss and then you revenge trade, then you do all this dumb shit. The cycle of destiny. Maybe buys above. We'll see. I want to get this 9:15 volume. I don't like NQ's volume to be partaking in NQ personally. No, I don't know anything about atoms. Do you have a group? Yeah, I have a free Dissy community. Anyone that wants to join the free Diss? Here's a link to the free Discord community. Anyone else has any analysis they want to throw in the Discord as well? Throw some analysis in this trade analysis section and then comment on the thing saying, Dan, check this out. Seth, bros. And then check this out and then tell me to check it out. Here's the link. Free Dissy. NQ on the moon. If it's not on the moon, you're getting blocked. Lucky it's kind of pushing. Oh, you can find the link on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. I can't post links on TikTok. You will live in the dream. I hope to become like you one day. I am living the dream, I guess, and you can do it, because I, for the longest time, was just a loser in a room that didn't like his life and was trying to change it through trading. And then I've accidentally did it. So now that I accidentally did it, you should just use that as evidence that you could do it as well. Yeah, I actually fucking did it. So there's no reason you can't. Oh, one member off hitting 6,000, the Dissy. Wow, someone join. Any advice to keep mind cool, under control after execute trade? Yeah, you already predetermine where you're going to put your stop loss and take profit, and just commit to it before you enter the trade. Just say, no matter what happens, I'm going to commit to this, and then make a conscious effort to not fiddle your fingers and not hold your breath and not be jittery. Just say, fuck it, I've already committed. What's the worst that can happen? To hit my stop loss. People like are at war right now. Like someone just got their legs blown up. You know what I mean? Like, it's all good. Bone strap kicking in. I always had a job. Yeah, I always had a 9 to 5. Well, not always, but mostly. What do you mean the best times to trade there, but you can't hold to it? What do you mean hold to it? What up, Basil? All right, I've got a minute here. If this can close above this range, I might be interested in impulse buy back up and blah, blah, blah. I trade with my own money? Yeah, I'd suggest get it funded if you're new to trading for sure. Past phase 1, let's get it. Discretion and mechanical, I don't even think about either, bro. I just trade. Yeah, I don't know anything. I don't know anything, bro, honestly. Okay, here we go. What up? What are we doing? What does it look like a fucking... Are you Pakistani? Yes. All right, that's fucking... W closure there. That's exactly what I wanted to see. A really fucking weak doji red candle. I didn't want to see a strength in a green candle or anything. NQ flew. How can I get a funded account in Dubai? You can't. There's strictly no funded accounts for you allowed. China. All right, this is my last candle closure. If I don't get anything on this closure, then I'm over it. This is boring. Nothing's happening. China. What stalks are you trading? Bean stalks. Gold. New York stock. Is New York stock in 15 minutes? Yeah, I'm never trading New York Open again. I'm going to start... I mean, it's so late for stock exchange. We'll see. I might start later tomorrow. China. What up, Tucker? Good to see you, brother. T-Dog. Everyday market, take my stop loss, it goes my way. Yep, because you're like thinking like 95% of traders. The market has a really good way of punishing average thinking. Average thinking is this. Market move down, I get emotional, fear of loss, I enter trade, market reject back up, hit stop loss, I cry. I think market move up now, I buy, market retrace, I lose. And then that's the cycle that traders go. Because all your decisions are based off emotion, not logic. What do you do for a living? Yeah, sheepdog. We're gonna get we'll get Asian soon for sure. I'm a professional ostrich tamer. Breeder, yeah, I'm a ostrich breeder. Bro. I mean, can I get another payout out of these bitches yet? I'm pretty sure after this payout, Top Step will move me to live. If they move me to live, I'm completely nerfed. My whole trading career is over. I'm going to have to move prop firms. I don't want to like build an account and shit and build. Oh, I can do another payout. Look. Clipped in with a spinner. Look at this. Request 4,900. Should I do it, guys? Oh my God. Should I do it? Request payout. Yes. Yes. Oh, Wise nerfed me as well. I can't fucking use Wise. They said, no, you can't keep taking money out from the markets. So now I have to do it this bullshit way. I'll do it later. It's a mission. I'll put all my details in. So that would make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 payouts since the 25th of the 10th. So that was like 35 days ago. Brother. Ooh. They're all big payouts as well. Yippee! Mummy, I can buy you... I don't know. No, I don't want to go live with Top Step because I just play with heaps of different accounts and then just get payouts and then whatever. And if they put me to live, then I just have to stick to one account and that's boring. Live on stream, no one else does it, bro. Who else is bringing up their Top Step 11 payouts in 35 days? You guys will still go... But then some dude will post a screenshot of like $4 trillion and you'll be like, I guess I believe it. Yeah, man, I wanted to stick to these prop accounts. Legit. You live in China? Yeah, I heard about the new Top Step payout rule or something, yeah. Give me 500 US, bro. Why? So when this candle closes, does that mean it's going to be the stock exchange open? Learning solely from your videos, not in the mentorship. Can you let me know criteria? Yeah, you're just picking and choosing, bro. It's going to be hard to teach you. Yeah, I know it's weird, Shibby. I don't... Once you reach 5 payouts? I don't know, I think 5 payouts, but I think I've gone through accounts, so like I don't think I've taken 5 on one account, so I'm kind of slipping through the cracks, but they still... I mean, if I get this payout, that's like 11 in 35 days. They're going to crack onto it. All right, we've got this stock exchange coming in. If you want me to critique one of your trades, you got to post it in the Discord and let me know that you posted it, and we can have a look. Book maps? Yeah, I don't know about any of that shit. I mean, some of you guys trade these weird fucking things where there's like balloons on your chart and shit. You got, look at their charts and there's just a bunch of balloons. These dudes are at a freaking daycare trading balloons. And playground. Who's seen those balloon charts? It's fucking helium strat, legit. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Is that book map? Yes, it's the fucking helium strat. This shit. Hey, bro. Nah, dude, you don't understand. Each balloon represents fucking institutional liquidity bing bong. No, it doesn't. What it represents is you're at a playground. Yeah. So some people do that even. Oh shit, the bed. All right, man, we've got a couple minutes here for the stock exchange. Okay, you post it under analysis. Let's have a quick sticky beak. Analysis. Yeah, like we were kind of looking at this before. Like realistically, the entry would have been like some sort of, you know, where the other guys took it. It was a bit chopped anyway, like based on the 30. I mean on the 15. You know, when the price came back up, showed strength here, wicked down and pushed up. You could have entered. Most people would have been cooked. Like you would have had your stop sitting under that wick. It kind of tapped under. And if you looked at that as a break above this minor level here, yeah, I wouldn't be too confident because it's a pretty small bodied candle. It's almost like a doji candle. Yeah, a bit of a tricky play, but that's my thoughts on it. At least you got paid regardless. Who cares? What up, Song? I use a simple strategy. It's working. Let's go. Song saying. You want to buy? Yeah, I want to buy as well, sort of, I think. Just gonna need, if this candle can come back up and close up here, I don't care how it looks, I'll probably put a buy stop in. Yeah, if it can hold up this level. When are you getting a Rolls Royce? I don't know, but I think I could buy a Urus one day. It's not even that expensive to buy a Urus, I don't think. I think it's like 4,000. Like if you were to lease, finance a Urus or whatever, put 20% down, then it's like 5,000, 4,000 a month. Not that much. Buy physical gold at all-time high, Shib. You say it's not expensive? I mean, I don't even know anything. So yeah, if we can hold above this level, I'm going to be interested in buying, I believe. B-dub. Yeah, I had one of my other mates tell me to buy RS. But this, I don't care about a car for ages. I just need to set up a couple businesses. That's my focus. Your videos are very insightful. I want to learn them as much practicing. Yeah, backtesting's good for it as well. Backtesting's good for like a bit of security in your system and strategy. Burn it into your brain a bit. Yeah, that's dope. I can get one of these payouts. I didn't even realize I could get another payout there. Juicy one too. Drown in payouts, yeah. Best thing to drown in, I reckon. But that's why I mean, like, if they send me over to fucking live, I'm gonna have to change prop firms because I really enjoy being able to get a payout and then trade the other ones. And by the other time they get up to speed, then there's another one ready for a payout. And if I don't do that, they'll stick me to one account and I'll be chop sueyed. Your strategy's playing right now in GBP USD. Oh, nice, nice. You know, I never look at other pairs. Why don't we do it? GBP, Poopep. Oh, what's going on here? Nah, this is nothing that I would do, my G. Sorry. Come on, gold. Head back up. Back up here, Chiefy. Yeah, Mitch, if I go to live, that's something I'll do. If they do put me to live, all I'm going to be doing is full margin and a YOLO trade. I don't give a shit about live. So if I can get away with a full margin YOLO and get a fat buffer on it, then I'll play the game. But anytime you do that, it doesn't work out. We'll see. Appreciate everything you do, bro. I hope you have a great week. Thank you for being here, my G. I don't do anything, bro. I just chill. But I appreciate your appreciation, for sure. Is Aaron Trades lives? Yeah, Aaron Trades is chilling. All right, dope. We're holding up in this. We've got 50 seconds here. So what I'll be looking for here, definitely, is this could actually be quite juicy. I mean, I don't need much, but I need a bit of a bottom wick, and then I'm gonna have a buy stop sitting there, and I'm gonna buy gold. I'm literally gonna buy gold. Literally gonna buy gold. Nice, Patrick. Good stuff, brother. These guys pumping this music is iconic. They're Indian music, like oh yeah. What do we got? Okay, that looks pretty ugly, but I think I'm still interested based on the 30. What's the range? 40 ticks. Got to get out of this minute. I might be interested in an impulse push up here. If we can get got a nice 1 hour wick up here. If we can get a bit of a pop here. If we can break the high up here, I'll probably have a 60 pip stop. I'll probably have a 60 pip stop. Yeah, stock exchange. What did Naz do? Yeah, interesting. If Naz can come down and hold here, small body green, I'll sell back down. I'd need that candle to close, obviously, but it won't. It's all over the shop. Gold, where you going, buddy? Stay here. this isn't a good sign. Tough day, bro. Tough fucking day. Tough in the sense of just like, yeah, I'll hold strong here. We'll see. We'll see. Could still push up. It's pretty dangerous. Big wicks like that. The only thing that's given me confidence is the fact there's a massive 1 hour wick up there. Obviously, I'll have to find a happy medium for a stop loss if it wants to push up, which for me will be probably 60 pips. Holding yours as well, Jack? Yeah, I think like I'm willing to put the risk on. Yeah, I think this is good enough. News in half an hour as well. Yeah, it's not massive impact news, like it is, but it's not gonna. It should be okay. I think it should be okay. Yeah, we'll see if we can break that 30 for sure. I mean, the 1 hour, the way that previous 1 hour looks is what's got me most interested, personally. Nah, my stop isn't going to be under the current wick. I'm going to have to find a happy medium around 60 pips. Not micros? Nah, I'll just put on 2 min dogs. Using 27? Yeah. Come on, go, baby girl. I want to be a part of this volume. One thing that can happen around this time is like price can just massively flip up in the blink of an eye. That's for sure. Oh yes, Discord just hit 6,000. We've got 6,033 right now. Let's go. Yeah, look at this. Wow. All right, I got to cancel my order. Fuck me. Wow, fuck me, you donkey. Yeah, this is gay. All right, man. It is what it is. Yeah. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Nothing happening here. Let's not force anything, and we'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I'll do one more New York, and if it's black tomorrow, I'll start at New York Stock Exchange. But appreciate you guys jumping on. Not going to force anything, and that's what's up. It's Monday. It's the first day of the month. All good. Yeah. No worries, Candace. Good to see ya. Catch up with you, gang. Will, Shib, Nikki, love yous. Bye bye.